Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of Philips Power Cyclone 5 PowerPro Compact Vacuum Cleaner, and the model number as you can see is FC9352 and it's 1900 watt. Its color is royal blue. You get multi-clean nozzle, turbo brush, integrated brush and Krivix tool for cleaning on the corners. Now let's open it up and see what's inside the box. So for support you need to go and register at philips.com/welcome. Now let's see inside the box. So you get this user manual and warranty cards. So these may be useful if you are using the vacuum cleaner for the first time. So this is the quick start guide, and you can get more info by scanning here. So this is not very detailed documentation, but it gives you the basics of which parts you need to connect. So let's do it ourselves, and first let's look at the box contents. So we have this pipe, and this also has this extension support. So you can extend it further if you have to clean the ceiling. So let's keep it aside, and then we have a few types of connectors. So this will be very handy for cleaning flat surfaces like carpet, sofa, etc. Then we have this brush connected here, so it will rotate, and now we have this very long connecting pipe. It's really long and it will cover a lot of ground. Then we have the main vacuum cleaner machine, and this is really looks somewhat heavy. But this has this tire, so even if it's heavy, it's okay. You can quickly slide it, and then you have to connect the pipe here, and then in this side you have two buttons. One is to power on, power off, and the other is for this. If you press it, this will go inside. It will pull the cord. So let's see again. It's very handy. So just press this and it will pull the plug. Now let's make the connection and try to start the vacuum cleaner. So it's very simple. Just press this, or while pushing you don't need to press, while pulling out you need to press. So just, and now it's ready to use. And now let's see. Let's connect it to power source. let's turn it on. So you saw how easy it is to operate, and it may be a bit noisy, but believe me, its suction power is great. And similarly, you can connect these pipes if you want to reach to the ceiling, and these for sofa and carpet. So I hope you liked this video. So I will give a link of the product in the description below. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos.